Hey guys, what's going on? Street Trading coming at you with this weekend weekly trade recap to wrap up the last trading session for May, kicking off June's trading for a 4-day week coming out of the long 3-day weekend, holiday weekend, Memorial weekend, last weekend, a lot of weekends. Anyway, we're looking at an hourly chart of SPY here, and the market chopped it up, pretty much chopped it up all week, trying to build that consolidation, nice base for the next move up. If that is going to unfold next week. Obviously, we see this time and time again. The street's been playing these games quite some time throughout the whole year. Well, that's what they do. Obviously, not just this year, but this year more so. Pretty interesting close on Friday session that you want to take into consideration. Technically, you can see that what's forming. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to see a simple pattern being formed on the long term. That said, there was a little bit of interesting after hours action that could possibly mean that this move was just manufactured. That said, trade the price action, guys. I mean, at the end of the day, you know how the street does it. Play those games. They try to push prices in a particular direction to entice those, kind of guys that follow the herd, so to speak. There's plenty of them. There's all kinds of manipulative games occurring all over the street, guys. You guys know that. Make no mistake about that. It is what it is. Don't stop crying about it. Understand that that's part of it. Accept it. Use that information to your advantage and move your business in that direction. Pretty good week overall. It took plenty of stops. Don't get it twisted. Plenty of stops that we actually put a couple videos on, or actually one video on. But there's some good lessons to be had from last week's session. So we wanted to go over some of the trades, some things we missed. Stops obviously we took. Some good trades obviously as well. Nice momentum trades despite the fact that the market was kind of choppy. So it's going to be a good video. So get comfortable and let's get some notes. All right, let's start to learn some basic. We say basic because we're talking about supply and demand. We trade supply and demand, right? So understand the basics of it and just trade the flow. Trade what the market is printing, and then you can build your business on simple principles, despite whether the market is pushing higher or lower. All right, guys, let's get down to business.